Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fudge with dairy milk. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare the pan. You'll need 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of butter. Don't forget 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Line a 9x 13-inch pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, milk, and butter. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until it comes to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes without stirring. It's crucial to reach a temperature of 234 degrees Fahrenheit for the perfect consistency. This step is key to achieving that smooth, creamy texture. Once your mixture has boiled, remove the saucepan from the heat right away. Quickly add your chocolate chips and vanilla extract. Stir vigorously until all the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Don't delay. Pour the hot fudge into your prepared 9x 13-inch pan. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature or chill it in the refrigerator for faster setting. After your fudge has fully set and is firm, carefully lift it out of the pan using the parchment paper overhang. Now comes the best part, cutting it into delicious, bite-sized squares. You can store any leftover fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. For more great kitchen tips and to find deals on amazing products, like those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.